Hello, we are here to show you the basic functionalities of the system Hal-AI ZAP. Hal-AI ZAP is an artificial intelligence system with advanced features for managing and sending bulk messages, automated responses using artificial intelligence in WhatsApp, and all available features of the most complete system for communication and WhatsApp. Access to CW website and select Hal-AI WhatsApp. It's very simple to create an account. For a limited time, come here and you are getting 7 days for free. You just need to fill in a simple registration form, no credit card needed. And you will be ready to use the automation system to send as many messages as you want, free of charge for 7 days. You will be able to send and receive messages. Will you be able to do bulk message campaigns? Yes, you can do it. Let's look at some general questions about Hal-AI ZAP. Do I need to delete my WhatsApp account? No, unlike the traditional systems, in Hal-AI ZAP, you don't need to delete your WhatsApp account. And more, you will use the WhatsApp number you already have, and it doesn't have to be WhatsApp Business. Does my number stop working for any interval? A number never stops working. Unlike traditional WhatsApp, you don't lose the conversation history. The history is stored by the system and you can browse, search for conversations, and everything else. Can I import my address book? Do I lose chat history? The system imports your address book and allows you to export it later. The existing conversations are still there on your cell phone or wherever you are. You can distribute the conversations to several other numbers, to your employees, as they come in, and yes, you can use a landline number. If you want to stop using Hal-AI ZAP, you will not lose your WhatsApp and your WhatsApp will not be unavailable for any time. You don't need to have a Facebook or Instagram account, you don't need to have an open company, you don't need to have a website, and you can use your personal WhatsApp. And if you have a website, you can put it on it, as it is here, and we will show you how to do it. If you don't have an account yet, go to the 2cw.com.br or hal-ai.com. hal-ai.com. And click on I want 7 days free, limited time promotion, or the promotion that is in effect on that date. Fill in your data in the form and you will receive an email with the access data. That's all for you to start using, without having to put a credit card, nothing else. As soon as you receive access, come here to the client area and enter the login and password data that you received in your email. And you will see this panel that I will be showing from now on. Let's go. Enter the Hal-AI WhatsApp client area here. Fill in the username and password you received. You will enter the system control panel. You'll have several menus here on the left. Let's analyze one by one to understand the functionalities. Here you have your registration data, which must be filled in because you filled everything in the entry form. The first thing you'll have to do is add a channel. What is a WhatsApp channel? A WhatsApp channel is a connection between the Hal-AI artificial intelligence system and your WhatsApp. When you click on Add a channel, then add a channel to WhatsApp, and a QR code will be displayed for you to scan with your WhatsApp. Don't worry, it may take a while for the QR code to be displayed. It takes from 30 seconds to a minute because the system is starting to connect with WhatsApp servers, and you scan this QR code with your WhatsApp as if you were creating WhatsApp web. This will create a virtual instance of your WhatsApp on Amazon, and it will automatically connect and allow you automated control, which we'll show you next. I already scanned and I'll show you what happens. As soon as you scan, the channels you have appear here. Here you see that there is an active channel, that other waiting for QR code that I just used to demonstrate. So you have an active channel here, which is our main WhatsApp service channel, and you have an inactive channel here. For you, only the active channel will appear, which is your automation channel. I'm going to activate this one too. The inactive channels are the channels that might be stopped for some reason, so I'm going to start this one too. It's going to activate automatically. Meanwhile, I'm going to enter. So please wait because it's inactive. But in your case you're going to have just one line here with a channel that you just activated. Let's see the next steps here. Automations, account for calls. What is this account for calls? This we will discuss later. The account for calls is an account used in your system to return customer calls when they try to call you on WhatsApp. So it will call you back and you can deliver it wherever you want, to your call center, to an employee's phone. Then the system will generate a call and automatically deliver it to wherever you want, at the time you determine. Later we will show this feature working. More here. Callbacks, using that account for calls, the times the calls will return. If it is within these hours here, for example, Friday from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., then he returns the call. If it's out of hours, the system automatically sends a message. Today it's open from 9 to 20, but we've noted it down and we'll get back to you as soon as we get back. Otherwise, it generates a call to the customer and delivers it to you or wherever you indicate. Let's show how the system does this automatically. Message flow. This is one of the most interesting parts of the system. It's where you configure the customer service with message and the robot system that talks to your customer automatically. Then we can create a new flow, which we'll show later in a specific video. Basically, the customer sends a message to your WhatsApp and the robot answers automatically, and can even make sales without you worrying about it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Flows and channels. Here you associate a channel with a flow, so you can have multiple channels and you can have multiple flows. In your case, at the moment you have a channel and you say how this channel will respond in the automated system. How to create flows will be explained in the next videos. Artificial intelligence features. What is an AI classifier? An AI classifier: it is a system that understands what the customer has typed, analyzes it and finds a suitable answer for it. This is all based on artificial intelligence, and your robot is specialized in your product. That is, it will give specific answers to your customer. Later on, we'll make a specific video about AI classifiers and how to set it up so that it responds automatically and advertise your products automatically. He behaves as if he were a person talking to his customer. Here you analyze the single text or the received messages. So you can take all the messages and automatically create an analysis, and it will show what happened in that chat. For example, you take a chat, take a classifier. Let's find one that detects. We can detect languages, we can detect emotions. For example, emotion detector, positive, negative. And it will say if this chat is positive or if it is negative. It's negative, so it can automatically identify based on the patterns you created. That is, you can use this to classify an operator's service quality. You can automate this to give a score for the automatic service, to place alerts of customers who are angry with one of your operators. Contacts and chats. Here you have the data of the customers who got in touch with you, contacts of the channels that it automatically downloads, the contact, general list of messages, all messages, manual messages. Here you create a test message so you know if it's really working. You take the number, the channel that is active. Choose a destination phone and send a message just for testing, so you can understand how this message will arrive. Picture messages, button messages and text messages with a button, you send them all automatically. Call center. Call center, you will determine who is working with you and which service queues you will use. Automated service, so we say which phones are there and who will answer them together, how we distribute the incoming chats, and we manage to monitor and automatically answer these customers and distribute them to human beings answering the chat as well. All of this monitored, managed and stored by Hal-AI ZAP. Campaigns. Here you send a campaign, you create a campaign, you set the campaign time. What is a campaign? A campaign, when I want to send messages to 1,000 of my clients, if I want to send messages to 1,000 clients from Monday to Friday, between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m., if not finished, it will continue the next day, all automatically. You choose the channel where it will do it and it does it automatically. Don't worry now, we're just giving you an overview of the whole process. We will discuss each item later. Lists. Here load the lists. Create a new list. Import the contacts that it pulls from your phone. Is there a way to quickly send a message to all my contacts? Yes, an automated message that the system will send, and then it can automatically respond and manage the responses. I click Import from Contacts. I click a default message if I want to. If not, I create a new list and import the data. Later, we'll show you how to do that too. Here you can have multiple lists, as many as you want. Here I look at the lists that were created, the type of text, and I can download and export with the messages that were sent, reports. It has the graphical report of messages. But you can also make a report of whatever you want, and if the available report does not suit you, we will quickly make a report with the type you want. You can change the types of charts you can have and various chart types, stacking, area, line, other chart types, and you can generate a specific report with filters and everything. We will also explain everything how this is done. In this introduction, you could see that the Hal-AI ZAP system is very complete, and, in the next videos, we'll walk you through how to create input flows, how to configure and add artificial intelligence to those input flows. Welcome to Hal-AI ZAP, and it's a pleasure to have you here. Greetings and see you soon.